Goodwill finds tin wood stove oil lamp. I found this at Goodwill. It's a tin oil lamp. It's made of tin. And the front door opens here. Then underneath it, if you pull a little bracket down, you'd actually pull out the oil lamp. And this comes off. You could also unscrew this, and inside is the wick and where you could put the oil. This is pretty cool because you don't see a lot of these that are fashioned after a wood stove. So if you light this and put it in here and make it look like there's a fire in this little wood stove. And I think this would look really cool near or in a cabin or something like that. And because it's contained in this little oil lamp, it'd probably be acceptable for indoor use. It's really neat. It's has a patina to it, I think, or some type of dark wash that they did. I liked it. I thought it was really cool, and I can't wait to use it in some photo stories. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.